So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing an IV75 outdoor tankless unit, obviously outside, but sitting in the recessed wall box, you can see water's been leaking down the wall. And I am guessing that either that bedroom or that bedroom. And hopefully I didn't have nobody was in the window when I did that, but this is backing up to, let's say, the side wall of a closet. The reason being is the box is pretty deep, and even if this was a 2x6 wall, that box is usually about 10 inches deep. And so they probably popped it out in the wall, which is fine. Gas comes in through the side, and they actually did put some silicone around there, which is kind of crazy because water's not going to roll down the side, hopefully. But here's the critical part right here. You can see that's the hot water, even though it's blue. Doesn't matter that it's blue. Blue doesn't have to be cold water, but it's not sealed. So maybe at some point it was, but that is kind of moving around, and it's on steel when they drilled the hole through the bottom of that. So that's not good, but that wasn't our problem. The hot didn't have any leaking on it. You can see here they've got this tied in just with they did use brass. Look at that. First time I've seen that. So I got brass, got the relief line, got a brass nipple, so that's good. And then of course a pressed, a crimped connector. And then there was no water last time we were out here on this side. And so now what we're looking at, I see water down here, so I think we're gonna have to replace the valve. Well, you know what? I'm gonna stop the video and we'll take another video when we're done.